Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make Fiji style green pawpaw curry. So let's get started.
I've got here 1 large green pawpaw, 1 medium onion which I have chopped, 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 sprig of curry leaves, half a teaspoon each of cumin and mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 4 cloves of grated garlic, salt to taste, 4 teaspoons of curry powder and a dish with some water. The first thing we need to do is to prepare the pawpaw. Cut the stem side off and peel it using a knife or a potato peeler. Cut it in half and remove the seeds using a spoon. Cut it into slices. Remove a thin layer on the inside of the slices and put them in the dish with water. Take 2 slices at a time. Cut them into small pieces and put them back in the dish. Take a non-stick fry pan, put it on medium heat, add oil and heat it. Add cumin and mustard seeds, give it a mix and cook it for 30 seconds. Add onions and curry leaves. Give it a mix and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes or until the onions get a light brown color. While waiting for the onions to cook, drain the water from the pawpaw, reserving about 1/4 cup of water in the bottom. My onions have a light brown color. Add pawpaw with the reserved 1/4 cup of water, turmeric, curry powder, 1 teaspoon of salt and garlic. Give it a mix. Put a lid on, lower the heat and cook it for 20 minutes, stirring it frequently. After 20 minutes, give it a mix and taste your salt. It needs a little bit more salt, so I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt, but you can always add it according to your taste. Give it a mix, put a lid on and cook it for a further 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, give it a mix, turn the heat off and let me dish it out and show you. My Fiji style pawpaw curry is ready and you can serve it with roti or rice. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy recipes, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.